When we stop, goddamn, you and I keep like not on purpose. We keep targeting the same exact enemies.
Yeah.
That did it. All the lights are gone.
Except for the ones all across the solar system. That will continue to happen for eternity.
He put up his shield right as he went. Yeah, because now I'm at 20 on objective 1 and 11 on objective 2.
Proven.
Nice.
But otherwise,
Legendary.
I like how blue does, like, now I'm getting 264 blues, but the point is, like, they go up in a way that they're useless. Like, why have them go above?
I don't know. I got 30 kills
Because, like,
though, while
like they're, like, the way they turn blue, they're useless to me.
Yeah.
Because they're always like X amount of light less than my lowest. Like they're always like they're always like one light below my highest light, or they're that one light below my lowest light here.
Yep. They're kind of useless. I don't know why they do that either. Jesus.
What?
The amount. Okay, well.
Sorry, I had a good option at his back, and he was kind of being a bastard.
Kind of.
You can have this flame bitch.
Got them. More or less. Well, I don't know if we can get airborne, a lot of air, or I don't know if I'll be able to get a lot of airborne for the public events, but maybe we can.
There, shield gun. There, shield gun. Teamwork, yay!
Yay!
I'm trying to be helpful.
Yeah.
I think,
alright.
Let's see, after, we're in the Gulch, right?
Maybe.
So after the public event,
Maybe not.
I need to go do a lost sector for my challenge.
Yeah. Ugh. The life of Destiny. You just sit here and do stuff and do a bunch of other random stuff.
Oh, sweet, I just sniped a dredge from all the way over there. That's also why they're coming over here, because I kind of pissed them off.
Yeah.
It's okay, they deserved it.
Mm-hmm.
I know they did. Cabal ship
They
coming in.
definitely did.
You want us over there?
Oh, yeah.
I'm at least gonna snipe some of them. Doing my
Hey,
Dev versus
Confucius.
sniper school thing.
Yeah. Ow. Kinda happy that I'm done with the whole getting them in the face kills.
Well, right now I'm trying to do the other thing. So there's a sniper challenge. Oh, look at that shot!
That was a nice shot.
I didn't even have a clear shot on his head. I shot his head from the, like, I had like a side view, a slight side view of his head. Boom.
Oh wow. That's funny.
Let's see, what? Use a sniper rifle. Oh, I have to be in Troslands? Fuck you. Damn it. My sniper gear, go, take it. My sniper kills has to be in Troslands.
Oh really?
Yes. So that was all just pointless. Hey look, an air on air! It's an air on air kill.
Right.
Nothing sexier, I meant what?
What?
Exactly.
7 more kills.
Shield's gone. Take it.
Got him.
See, this is working a lot better since we're actually working together on this. Instead of just accidentally kill stealing each other.
Yeah. Oh, that's alright. 6 more kills and I won't have to kill anything, technically.
Let's see. So what am I at on the Mida? 26 and 12. So 26. So I need 24 precision shots and 13 more multiple kills without reloading.
Yeah. Still good.
At least it doesn't have to be precision
We have
kills.
sightings of Red Legion infiltrators
Yeah,
on
It
this
doesn't
day.
say it has to be.
Yeah. That one says it doesn't have to be, but I'm not. Yeah. I'm not really sure, though.
Say, why should I do it? Why? Shut up. Shut up! Stop!
Yeah.
Silence your contentual through. I will not tolerate your insolence.
Oh dear
Let's
lord.
chase them
Oh,
out.
it's the big ass thing.
They think they'll spy on my territory.
That dropped down on top of my face.
Oh, come back here, you bitch. Look, he ran away, so I stuck a grenade on him.
Yeah, it's all that.
Got him.
Nice. Also good. Because I wasn't really keeping track of him.
Ah, shit, it's on
God,
fire in here. It's on fire in here.
Yeah. There you go. There we go. No, or not.
Sorry, I wanted to get rid of the gold guys.
Yeah, that's fine.
Ah, it's on
Shot him
fire
right
in here.
back. Yeah. I'm starting to
Oh, melee guys coming in. Melee guys
Fired
coming in.
melee guy.
You really just say that? Can I slap you?
No.
Oh, damn it. I was going for a precision on him.
Precision shots. They're actually kind of easy to do. Those ones.
It's a little hectic in here, though.
Okay. Did you see what happened?
No. I guess the Scion doing his stupid thing.
Yeah. I got chucked upwards right as I jumped, so it was an extra high jump.
Oh, wow.
I wasn't expecting it. I just wasn't. Like, god damn it, Scion. Ugh. Oh, hi, guy. Ow, ow.
Fire.
I guess you could say he lost his head in the process. Well, there you go. Now I don't have to go for any kind of kill. I can just kill it indiscriminately. Yeah. At least you're getting position kills.
Ow!
Like,
What the asshole?
oh god,
The
fire.
asshole would not leave me alone.
No. Does not look like it. Hi guy, you can keep shooting at me all you want. It's not gonna help your team's call. He keeps booting me out when I go in. I think I'm too close to him. I was, but I'm... God! Well, that didn't work out. I was, but now I'm not, but then I did, and, well... things happen.
God damn it! His attack is ridiculously strong for some reason.
Yeah. It really sucks.
And his melee assholes really aren't helping in here.
Nope. I imagine not. That was fun. We got flying outside the stadium. Go.
Like, look at that. Like, literally the moment I jumped in and he takes out like half my health. What the fuck?
I don't know. Oh.
That was just too long, dude.
Yeah.
But we still got through it.
Say.
At least.
Yeah. Still kind of disappointing, but
That's alright. That was kind of bullshit.
Look at them
yeah,
go.
that kind of was.
Oh, that's right. I
Stand
need to
and face
do
us,
a
huh?
lost sector.
They've collected
Where was
far
one?
less
No, there's
information
loot
than they
everywhere.
wanted,
There's fucking
thanks to
purple
you.
ammo everywhere. Because I haven't been
I
using it
know.
because I have the sniper rifle and that shield made it pointless.
Right.
What the hell? Hey, scannable thing in here, huh? Another traveler shard.
Huh.
The
Alright,
power
so I know
in even
there's a
this
lost
tiny
sector
piece.
close by. I
It's
just gotta figure
amazing.
out exactly
And to
where
think it's
close
been
by
out here
is.
this whole time, just waiting.
Oh, and there's another adventure mission out here I can do too. I'm gonna get the lost sector out of the way first.
Yeah. So do you want to make a trip back after you're there with your stuff?
Oh, you already got what you need?
Yeah, I got my 50 airborne kills.
Oh, nice. I'm trying to kill these guys for some of my precisions. And multi-kills.
Yeah. Right.
I got quite a few multi-kills on that one. That's another precision kill. Oh, damn it, I reloaded. I keep forgetting I'm so used to just reloading.
Me too.
I know there's a lost sector right around here somewhere. Where the fuck is it? I even saw the symbol while we were doing shit.
I don't know. Hi, guy, boom.
Hi, guy. Boom.
E.
Oh.
Nice shot.
Like I said, when I actually put my mind to it, I'm pretty good at precision kills.
Yeah. It's just funny.
But that
because I took a
requires
few
me
pot
actually,
shots
like-
at 'em.
Huh?
It's just funny because I took a few pot shots at him, and then while I was reloading, I just see his head pop off, and it was like, oh, well,
Here we go. Here's the lost
takes care of
sector.
that. Yeah. Kind of helps that I'm not really trying to go for kills. I'm just going for wound shots.
Oh, because I still need the precisions, so... So, by the way, before we
Yeah.
run in here, what am I at? I need 14 precisions and 9 more multis. That's not bad.
Nah.
Oh, wrong gun. Oh, damn it, the bastard fell down. That really... I shot him out of the fucking sky. Take down his shield and I'll...
Nah, I don't mind.
There he is.
Nice. Oh,
Oh, I'm hitting his shield.
yeah, there you go. Oh, whoops.
Oh.
Well,
It's okay. Shit happens.
yeah. Cheyenne. Scion should be.
I know a really great way to get the multi kills. Shanks.
Oh yeah, they're one shot regardless. I got some more. Nice.
Well, let's see. What does that put me at? All right, that was better. So I need 9 more precision kills and 4 more multis. So that really worked.
Yeah.
That did a lot of the work I needed. And these dredges just like ran out in front of me, and I'm like, "Hi."
Yeah. Pretty much. I'm kind of more or less just waiting for you to get all the little guys.
Oh, you can kill the captain for all I care.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm just mostly focusing.
Get away from me!
That's it. Actually trying really hard to distract the captain from you.
He doesn't like me headshotting.
No, clearly not. Hey, bitch, where'd you go?
Got it. All done.
Nice.
Nice job owning his ass.
Thank you. I lost him
I
for a
turn around
second,
to help
and
you, and you just annihilate the bastard.
I got tired of dealing with this shit. Got a little tired of that, and when I activated my super as well, I almost thought I was gonna run out because I activated it and then he just fucking vanished. I'm just like, you bastard, you get back here and take your whoopings.
Your whoopings.
Yes.
You take your daily whoopings now, you hear?
I'm gonna whip you in my fire whip, you bitch.
Watch me whip. Watch me what? Watch me whip. Watch me teleport. Son of a bitch! That's exactly how it would work.
Pretty much.
It'd be kind of funny if, like, when you do it, like, every time, so you go, watch me whip, watch me whip, and, like, so you're like, throw a sword in Q. Oh, god damn it. Loading.
Yeah.
Are you loading too?
That's pretty good. No, not loading. Oh,
now you are. You're stuck in running motion. You're like in mid-run right now. Oh my god damn it! Why won't it load me?
I don't know. You disappeared from my side though.
Because it won't load me in. I'm literally stuck in loading right now.
Yeah, that sucks.
Come on, Destiny.
Destiny say fuck you.
The servers have been so fucking retarded lately anyway. Fine, I'm just fast traveling across lands, asswad. Not you.
Yeah.
That was just like the fuck.
Yeah.
I like how like it legitimately froze you with like in mid-run, so you have your one foot out in front of you and your one is up in the air behind you. Like it was kind of cool.
I think I caught.
Here is this freeze frame. Something's wrong, because it's not. I just fast traveled and it's not loading me.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's acting like it is. So they're like Destiny, goddammit, I thought you had this taken care of.
Nope. It's still shit.
I wish there was a way to say go to orbit from like the main screen or something.
Yeah. So it's still being weird for you? It's not loading you in?
Yeah, I can't even do anything. Like it won't even let me load somewhere else.
That's stupid. I'm gonna collect my rewards real quick, and then I'm gonna
Alright, I'm gonna
go
give
ahead
it
and
a
see
little.
if this will help
I'm
you.
gonna give it like another 30 seconds, and if it doesn't load, then I'm just gonna have to quit out and then reload.
Right. I went ahead and let
Oh,
the fire
it just
team,
took you out of my fire.
let's-
Oh, you did. Okay. It told me
Yeah.
that though. It just won't load me in anywhere.
I'm gonna see if that helps you though. See if that helps you load
I doubt it,
by leaving.
but thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I doubt it too, but hey, you know, it's an idea. Meanwhile, I'll go back to the tower and all that fun stuff. But maybe since Destiny is being a little weird, maybe doing stuff as in a group effort on streaming probably isn't the best idea. Well, it's not for the moment anyway. I will probably stream again for
Alright,
when
that's it. Okay, there. It finally disconnected me.
That's good.
Like of its own accord, like Destiny finally disconnected me from the servers. God damn.
Yeah, being weird. I kind of think for now, 88 minutes is pretty good though for one stream. And besides, I'll start streaming again for when
You about to turn it
Grim
off?
actually joins us. What's up? Think your mic is kind of in and out again, because I can't hear you right now.
No, my battery's dead. I said, so you're about to turn off the broadcast?
Underway.
Yeah, I'll stop it for now, and then
Confirmed.
I'll turn it back on for when,
Fenchurch, there's
like,
a lot
we're
of
all set to do
fantastic
Nightfall.
things.
Me, you, and
Oh
Grim
yeah,
and
so we can watch
whatnot.
that? Fuckfest.
You'll
Yeah.
return on
Well, I think
More or less.
I'm probably gonna be doing some carrying per se.
Oh yeah.
Well, because as it stands, I have the highest light.
Guardian.
And
yeah.
the way things have been
You're not that
going.
much higher than me, though.
Fuck you. I am higher than you. I am your master. I meant what?
Still not that much higher.
Okay, you
but
didn't really react to that. It says the party is still being broadcasted though. Because you're still
it
broadcasting.
is for the moment. Yeah, I'm still broadcasting. I just got the Mida multi-tool.
I'll get you next time, Zang.
And actually, it's 283 as well.
What is 283?
So now I am the highest light.
Remain vigilant, Guardian.
What's 283?
Never quite be as safe as we think.
My Mida multi-tool.
Oh, nice. You got it. So it's just those two things.
No, it was more than that. After you get done with what you're doing, you have to break down 5
When you
Oh,
whisper
yeah.
to the
rare
rifles,
or
whisper
higher
back.
um,
No?
scout rifles.
This is when
And
it
then
would
after
be
you
really
get
nice
done
if I
doing
could just buy
that-
blues.
Yeah,
Wait,
I'm pretty sure
did
they
you
thought of
notice
that
that
as well.
if you run the Mida mini tool and the Midi multi tool, they actually have effects that benefit each other?
Oh, really?
The Mida mini tool has the ability Mida synergy. This weapon
Speak to
grants
me, not
speed benefits when Mida multi tool is also equipped.
Oh, well that works because I got the Mida mini tool and the Mida multi tool now, in first and secondary.
Nice.
So,
Nice.
works out for me then.
I never had the multi tool, so I don't know if I'll like it or not.
They probably changed it too. And if they
Oh, you already
haven't,
have it.
surprised.
Algorithm, to be certain.
Well, yeah, I have it, but I was also one of the ones that didn't have it beforehand as well, because I never had
Oh.
it either.
Gotcha.
I had it like when it wasn't relevant though. I don't remember all of its effects. Is
Alright,
is
so
my
I have
problem.
that now. Alright, so I have the dismantle part. But if you're willing, I'm going to go back to Earth and do some other shit that I was trying to do before it fucking disconnected me.
What do you need?
Yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and like collect my
Angry.
rewards and
Like
stuff.
how no one even knows what I'm talking about when I do that. That makes me sad.
Keep focus.
Yeah. I don't know what
There
you're
used to
talking
be
about.
like this really weird cartoon show having to do with a sheep. And there was this mad scientist in it that like every time he got called mad scientist, he'd freak out and be like, "No, I am angry! Angry scientist!" But no one remembers the fucking cartoon, which is weird because it was on Cartoon Network for a while.
I just probably never tuned into it.
It's like
Is
some
the
kind
only
of
problem
sheep
with that.
cartoon. That's all I really remember. I should probably go look it up because I really want to know what the hell it was called.